Hey guys, welcome back to Art a la Carte, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a cute animal base. This base is really fun because with a little customization and details, you can change it into a ton of different creations. For this example, I'm going to do 9 different super cute things that you can draw from this base. We have a lot of drawing to do, so let's get started. The first shape I'm going to create is a circle shape right here. This is going to be the head of our base, and then I'm going to flatten it out a little bit. I call this the dough ball shape or the flat tire shape, and you can see that I'm just kind of cutting off the end. I'm also using a pencil that I can erase. So this is a Prismacolor Cool Erase color pencil, which allows me to erase. Not all color pencils are erasable, so you want to check into that. But I'm going to create this shape. Now normally I would go right into putting some detail into the head features, but for this one I'm going to finish off the whole base so that I can show you how to put in individual details for all the different animals. So right here at the base of my circle, I'm going to bring down this kind of odd shaped candy cane looking hook shape right there. It's just going to come down and curve around. This is going to be for the front leg. You can have it come up higher if you want longer legs, but I find the short little stubby legs are so cute. I'm going to do this to the other side, but obviously going the other direction. Have that come up. Now I'm going to very lightly put in a half circle, kind of this curved line, and then depending on what I'm going to create, whether it is a long-haired animal or short-haired animal, I'll add some extra little curved, jaggy fur lines. The next step is to put in the back feet. This creature is going to be sitting down, so I'm going to have one kind of oval shape here and one over here. The trick is you want them slightly overlapped by the front leg, so they're kind of tucked in behind. Now to finish this off, I'm going to put a curved line down here for the belly and 2 small curved lines up here for the knees. And that's the basic shape. There's not much to it. So you can take your eraser now and clean up any lines that you don't need. And now we can move on to the actual detail part. So of course there are so many different things you can do with this. I'm going to start off with the first one, which is going to be a cartoon cat. So for that I'm going to put 2 kind of rounded triangles, large rounded triangles, right here at the top of the head and down. And then add in my face. The eyes are going to be 2 large circles, and I'm going to give a lot of space for the forehead to ump up that cute factor. Right in the middle I'm going to have a small circle for the nose, and then have a cute little mouth shape. Add in some finishing details to the ear, a cute tail, and of course your whiskers, and your cartoon kitten is just about done. Now this is one of just many different animals you can draw super cute, but let's go ahead and fill this whole page with a whole bunch of bases and then begin adding in our cute details. This is a great way to practice something. It's just to draw a whole bunch of times to get better used to how the shapes work and to just practice that out. So now what I'm going to do is add specific details to each one and create something cute. go. Using the base, we've created 9 different cute little creatures. I didn't go into step-by-step instructions on how to draw each of them, but I kind of showed you the steps. If you have any questions about how I did it, let me know in the comment section below. Also, in the description box of this video, you'll find a link to my DeviantArt account where you can actually go and download this coloring page that I have for absolutely free. So have fun drawing or coloring some super cute animals. And if you do, I'd love to see what you create. So make sure to tag me in any of your social media posts. So until next time, God bless you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. Keep drawing, creating, and being cute yourselves. And we'll see you in another art video. Bye-bye.